Hi, this is Carol and welcome to my channel Inspired By. Today, I'm participating in the collaboration hosted by Kimberly from Diva Designing on a Dime. Now, one of the things Kimberly wanted us to do, is choose 3 items that we love. And I find lately I've been really attracted to gold. It's almost like I'm obsessing with it. So one of the items I purchased was from a store called HomeSense, and it's this clock. And I actually love this clock. I will be using it in my living room refresh. I was able to purchase it at 50% off, so I was able to get it for I believe $24.99. Item that I'm really enjoying is this candle holder. It's a very substantial piece, and it just fits perfectly into what my plans are. I will be doing a living room refresh, so I will be certain to show you guys how I incorporate this piece into my living room interior. And the final piece that I'm loving is this picture that I also purchased from HomeSense. I really enjoy the bright colors. Once again, bright colors is not something that's in my comfort zone, but I really like this picture outside. It's all white as we're in Canada, and I thought I'd bring in some color into my home. And this is the piece that I'm going to use to basically decorate my living room around. So I'll be bringing in the golds and the whites and the blues into my living room. So once I do my living room refresh, I'll certainly show you guys. And the last thing that I'm going to do is the last part of this collaboration, and that is showing you how I decorated my hutch for a Valentine's brunch. Now, one of the things that we had to do was a DIY. So I took this bucket, which was just a stainless steel bucket that I picked up from the dollar store. You can get it from any of the dollar store, whether Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Dollarama. And I also used some bling wrap and just put a pattern of diamond-shaped pattern on it. And I also spray painted it red using a cherry red paint. And that's my DIY for this project. Very simple, and I think it came out pretty good. So I'm just going to show you an overview now of my buffet for the brunch.
You're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Love like you can't be here by my side. I'm glad to fade, 'cause deep inside I'm crying for my baby. It's gonna be a while before I know again.
So once again, I would like to thank Kimberly from Diva Designing on a Dime for this invite to this lovely collaboration. And I would like to invite all of you to go and check out the other participants. Once again, this is Carol from Inspired By, and have yourself a great day. Happy Valentine's Day.